Hi, and welcome to this Internet Geography Rapid Revision video. In this video, we're exploring the processes of transportation that affect the coastlines of the UK. We'll explore how transportation processes, including traction, saltation, suspension, and solution, shape our shores. We'll also examine how these processes combined contribute to longshore drift, the movement of material along the coastline. Coastal transportation is the movement of material in the sea and along the coast by waves. Both constructive and destructive waves transport material. It is worth noting that the more energy a wave has, the greater the volume and size of material it can transport. Our first process of coastal transportation is traction. This process involves material being rolled along the seabed by wave action. Traction occurs when material is too heavy to be picked up by the water and is instead moved by the force of the waves and currents. Even constructive waves can move pebbles by traction. Next is saltation. In this process, silt, pebbles, and stones are bounced along the seabed. Both destructive and constructive waves can move material by saltation. The force of the water lifts these particles up, and then gravity pulls them back down, causing them to leap or saltate along the bottom. Suspension is another key process of coastal transportation. Fine material like sand, silt, and clay particles is carried along in the water. These particles are light enough to remain suspended in the turbulent water and can travel long distances if the water stays turbulent. Solution involves the transportation of dissolved materials. Certain rock types, like limestone or chalk, dissolve in seawater and are carried along in solution, invisible to the naked eye. This dissolved material is transported in solution and becomes part of the seawater's chemical load. It can be transported great distances by ocean currents and eventually might be deposited elsewhere as sediment or used by marine organisms. An essential aspect of coastal transportation is longshore or littoral drift. This process occurs when waves hit the shore at an angle, moving sediment along the coastline in a zigzag pattern. It happens when waves approach the beach at an angle. The swash, waves moving up the beach, carries material up and along the beach. The backwash carries material back down the beach at right angles. This is the result of gravity. This process slowly moves material along the coastline and provides a link between erosion and deposition. Longshore drift is responsible for significant changes in the coastline, forming features like spits, bars, and tombolos. Knowing the different types of coastal transportation is crucial for understanding the formation of coastal landforms and how coastlines should be managed. Why not test your knowledge of processes of transportation by taking the quiz on Internet Geography? Click the link above or in the description below. Let us know how you get on in the comments. Thanks for watching this Internet Geography Rapid Revision video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.